Let me give you another company that I love. This is a great article. This is GHIV. It's going to be discussing Matterport. Sorry, GHVI. That's Matterport. This is the company that's a VR real estate tech startup that's going to be listed in a SPAC. Gores Holdings number 6. From 10, it's already at 16, but any drops of this company, I view it to be a buy. I don't care if you buy it at 16.40, even if you have to buy it at $12. Take note at what you're buying. Okay, let's read this. Housing market today is skirting coronavirus as sellers are using 3D virtual tours to find eager buyers. It's VR real estate tech. While shelter-in-place orders have shut down much of the economy, realtors are stepping up their use of 3D virtual tours to just to sell houses. Home prices even rose 5% in June from a year earlier, according to CoreLogic. Shares of Zillow and Redfin are trading at record all-time highs. Yeah, I think even Open is also hitting all-time highs. Zillow, Open Door, look at that. Very huge trend, all-time high. Open Door Technologies, Zillow, kaboom. So Zillow went from what? Less than $20 all the way to $200, completely 10x move. Let's tell you why this will continue going higher. Any dips will actually a BTFD, a buy the fucking dip. So home prices, Matterport is a maker of hardware and software for virtual tours. Beginning March until mid-June, there was a 150% increase in the number of models created per week. James Sharp, the realtor in Dallas area, has seen a flood of transactions over the last few months since he turned to making 3D virtual tours of his properties. In fact, he put his own residence on the market at the end of June, and he had 18 showings in the first 10 days. This is the success and this is the future, guys. You can only sell something online if you're using VR, virtual reality tour. Sharp closed the last week's sale after receiving multiple owners' offers. The new owner bought the house sight unseen. So they just saw it on their VR tech. I decided I'm done. I want a change of scenery. And I founded the Sharp Real Estate Group in 2011. I've seen the market and I see what we are selling. I'm making a great payday. The U.S. economy has been in a recession from public health crisis, 5 months of forced shutdowns, but the housing market remains very strong thanks to record low mortgage rates and the desire of many city dwellers to relocate, knowing that they can work from anywhere. Technology is playing a huge role in this. Online listing sites like Redfin, Zillow reporting better than expected second quarter results in the last couple of weeks. Zillow CEO Rick Barton said on its last earnings call, every adult, 75%, is using virtual 3D tour technology to buy a home, part of a tectonic shift that we are seeing playing out for years to come. RDFN up 100%, Zillow 75%. This is just year to date. That's year to date. This is actually an article in August 2020. So of course, right now you've seen it go further and further, all-time highs. So Matterport is this technology firm. It is a 9-year-old Silicon Valley startup making $3,400 3D cameras specifically for real estate, providing the software for showing the listing. So this is James Sharp of the Sharp Real Estate closing a recent sale. While virtual tours have already been around for many years, the COVID pandemic accelerated the use of this Matterport. The walkthrough feels close to realistic. It's like Star Trek, transport machine, deliver and teleport the characters to different times and space. Okay, this is Matterport, and the CEOs of Redfin. They're showing to you the CEO of Zillow. They're telling you that virtual reality is the future, which is VR tech, Matterport. Let's take you to Matterport website itself, guys. Matterport.com makes it easy and fast, creating immersive 3D technologies for your back-to-work planning, listing, appraising properties, documenting makeover projects, and more. So why Matterport? Okay, find out more about Matterport, find out more about future listing now on the iPhone, the power of Matterport. Our most advanced 3D technology is now available for free on your iPhone or iPad, empowering you to instantly capture and share any space so that you could drive rentals, home sales, e-commerce, or just for fun. Find out how you can capture 3D scans with your iPhone. This is a Napa Valley vacation rental. Guys, I think that everyone who's going to do an Airbnb is going to do this Matterport. Getting started is easy and free. Choose a camera, Matterport will work with your iPhone, high fidelity 3D cameras like Pro 2 and spherical 360 cameras. Sign up for the account, download the app. Let's just get started. So don't want to do it yourself, it's also okay. Now, if you want to save $400 on a new Matterport Pro 2 camera, use this promo code. I'm not yet an affiliate of Matterport. I'm just sharing about the company. But looks like this is a camera company that you want to buy into. High quality, high precision accuracy for large interspaces. It's there when you need it. Matterport is for everyone. You're doing 3D photography, app development. It works for everything. Facility management, travel and hospitality, architecture, engineering, construction. And these are what their customers think. Matterport enables professionals to work remotely in a safe environment versus traveling to a job site. The amount of time and effort saved is tremendous. Is this the Zoom for real estate? I think so, guys. This is the work from home of all the real estate agents. Agree.